Let's have some fun, this beat is sick. I wanna take a ride on your disco stick. Let's have some.
It's hard to say what sets pulses racing the most, the performance or the looks.
But if I knew, then I might miss you, babe. It's complicated and stupid. Got my ass squeezed by sexy Cupid. Guess he wants to play. I love game, I love game. Have some fun, this beat is.
Oh, it's vibe with us. And this one goes out to all my ladies. I be chasing cats with nice cars. You know, wheel watchers. We're riding to. I'll be obliged if you stepped outside, cause my ride is awaiting. The truck look like a spaceship and the grill is mean-faced it. Hand I painted it, smoke gray, that player shit. 7 clear coats keep the whip wet like rain drips. Inside the interior is stainless leather, so soft it's like I almost feel ashamed of it. Dang it, if you rollin' with the main here, you love this whip. In fact, that's why you came here. You ain't a car connoisseur, you a car kind whore. I know your type well, that's why I pay so much for. From the rims to the floorboard, engine was a V8, and so I added 4 more. Boy, these chicks ain't seen nothing like this. Once inside, I got them to weigh in like they sidekicks. I guess the world may never know how a car can get you so much choach. Whoa, oh.
Do you want me for myself, or do you want me just because my car, my car, my car, my car? Do you think that I am the one, or do you just wanna ride shotgun in my car, my car, my car, my car?
I see you looking at the way the rims fit the wheel well, and how the meat on that tire is just barely there. Plus, she impressed by that dual exhaust. That's why I'm doing up before I pull off. Look, nah, you can't drive. It's best that you just sit there and ride. Know that dash look like a cockpit, and when it lights up, you'll be coming off that quick. You really love it, don't you? You'll tell your girlfriends, won't you? Don't lie, you know you wanna slide your hand up and down on my stick, even though I drive an automatic. This is ridiculous.
and I'm like in the middle of nowhere, literally in the countryside. Yeah, the rain is really annoying because I just washed it. I knew it was gonna rain, but you know, I did it for the video. I didn't want to go like, ah, yeah, cool, I'll wait for when it's sunny. I'm not gonna do that. So I'll show you what it looks like now after this run. Still got the Monster. Still looks really clean. Look how it sounds. Man, it sounds so deep. So now I have to record this quickly. So yeah, just washed it, you know, because it's ceramic coated, it's not going to be as dirty, which is really cool. Look at the beast in the rain. Woo!